Are you frustrated with the files and application that make your desktop worse and clunkier? Hi there everyone, my name is Preetham, and in this video we will see how we can make our desktop look clean. So in this video I'll be talking with you about an application which is just like use stack functionality in Macintosh, but I would say it is a superior version of it, because even in Macintosh stack we cannot actually see those applications that are being grouped. So let's dive into it. So open your Google Chrome first and visit this link that I'm providing here of this application and click here on try for 30 days. Now let's download this application. Uncheck this option which says also install Groupie. Now click next and next, and here we go, we have successfully installed it. Now I am seeing this warning message because I just uninstalled it so that I can show you how you can install it. I am using this application since several days and literally I would say I am loving it day by day. And after I restarted my desktop, here you can see all my applications are being arranged based on type. Now in your case you do not need to restart your system because I just uninstalled this application. Okay, so now here we can see how clean our desktop look. And what more you can do with this application, just make a double click on it. And you actually can hide them. Now whenever you hover your mouse on it, then they will open. So now you can place it as the way you want. Now you can see how clean our desktop looks, and I have all my programs and documents placed here. At last I would like to say I find this software pretty useful. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.